Hello viewers, here I will guide you how you can easily download or run Google Play Store app on your PC Windows. So to start, please run your web browser and write the web address of softmenu.com in the address bar. You can search the app from many other download websites, but I will download it from softmenu.com because on this website you can download the direct installer, and of course it's free to download so many apps from here. On the main page you can see the link, otherwise type Google Play Store in the search bar, then click on search button. Google Play Store PC is open. Click on the searched link. Main page will be open with free download button and other features. So click on the free download button. Download page has been opened. Again click on the free download button. Downloading will start. You can see on the left lower corner of your web browser. When the file is fully downloaded, click and open in File Explorer. Just click on the Google Play folder and then BlueStacks installer application file. Will be run. It will give you option to extract all or run the file. Just click on the run button. It will start. Just click on the run button. That will start BlueStacks emulator installing on your PC. BlueStacks installer is one of the best mobile emulator that will use to run Android applications on your PC or big screens. After the installation, open BlueStacks application. On the main screen, you will find Play Store icons. Otherwise, you can search it from the search bar. Just click on the Play Store icon and it will require you to sign in with your Google email. So sign it with your personal Gmail account and enter the password. Then click on the next button. On the next page, click on I agree and then accept the terms and condition of Google. So Google Play Store has been opened in your PC. Just click on the search bar the app which you want to open or download on your PC. Here I just write Google Play Services. Google Play Services app with the relevant app has been opened. You just explore the other apps which you want to install. Only need to write down the exact name of the app which you want to download. When the app displayed, just click on the downloaded app and it will open another page with the options update, open, install, uninstall. Just follow your steps. So here is the Google Play Store has been downloaded and installed and successfully running on your PC screens. You can download other Android apps or just close down the BlueStacks application.